If you're running a Shopify store in 2026, chargebacks are probably one of your biggest headaches. They can eat into your profits, damage your reputation with payment processors, and in some cases, even get your store restricted. That's why tools like Chargeflow and Disputifier have become so popular. But the real question is, which one actually does a better job at protecting your store? Let's break it down. To start with, both Chargeflow and Disputifier are designed to help you handle chargebacks automatically. Instead of manually responding to disputes, these platforms step in and manage the process for you. But even though they solve the same problem, they take very different approaches. Chargeflow is built as a fully automated chargeback management system. Once it's connected to your store, it detects disputes, builds responses, and submits evidence automatically. The goal is to make the entire process completely hands-off, so you don't have to deal with chargebacks at all. Disputifier, on the other hand, also offers automation, but it relies more on rules and templates. It can automatically respond to disputes, but it doesn't adapt as dynamically as Chargeflow. In many cases, it focuses more on preventing disputes before they happen rather than fighting them after they occur. And this leads to one of the biggest differences between the two platforms. Chargeflow focuses on recovering lost revenue. When a chargeback happens, the system tries to win the dispute and get your money back. It builds evidence using transaction data and patterns to increase your chances of winning. Disputifier often takes a different approach. Instead of fighting every chargeback, it may automatically refund certain transactions to prevent disputes from happening in the first place. While this can reduce your chargeback rate, it also means you're losing money on those orders. So in simple terms, one focuses on fighting chargebacks while the other leans more toward avoiding them through refunds. Another important factor is how easy these platforms are to use. Chargeflow is designed to be completely hands-off. Once everything is set up, it runs in the background without much input. This makes it ideal for store owners who don't want to spend time dealing with disputes. Disputifier usually requires a bit more manual setup and monitoring. You may need to adjust rules, review actions, or manage certain settings to get the best results. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where things really matter for most store owners. Chargeflow uses a performance-based pricing model, which means you only pay when they successfully recover money from a chargeback. If they don't win the case, you don't pay anything. Disputifier also offers performance-based pricing, but it can include additional fees for certain features, depending on how you use the platform. Over time, these extra costs can add up. Another thing to consider in 2026 is trust and reliability. Chargeflow has built a reputation as a more stable and scalable platform, especially for growing e-commerce stores. Disputifier has worked well for many users, but some store owners have raised concerns about things like unexpected refunds or a lack of control over certain automated actions. This doesn't mean it's a bad tool, but it does mean you need to understand exactly how it operates before connecting it to your store. So which one should you choose? The honest answer is, it depends on your business. If you want a system that works in the background, fights disputes, and helps you recover as much revenue as possible, Chargeflow is usually the better option, especially for medium to large stores. But if you prefer a simpler setup and don't mind sacrificing some revenue to reduce disputes quickly, Disputifier can still be useful, particularly for smaller stores. In the end, both tools can help manage chargebacks, but they take very different approaches. One is focused on maximizing recovery, while the other focuses more on reducing risk upfront. If this helped you understand the difference between Chargeflow and Disputifier, let me know in the comments. Would you rather fight chargebacks to recover your money, or refund early to avoid the risk completely?